City folks like to say, knee high before 4th of July. Well, I'm here to say it's the 1st of July, and that's a lie. So this is actually the first video since 90% of you jumped on the Crooked Rose train. And I gotta say, thank you and welcome officially. This is a farm channel, but most of you are here for the camper. Which brings me to my first point I wanna make. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away 2 Yeti cups. And all you have to do is go to Crooked Rose Instagram. See, it'll be like this way, at Crooked Rose Instagram, at Crooked Rose Instagram. And I'll have a picture posted by the time I have this video uploaded of both the Yeti cups. And what you need to do is go to that picture. I need you guys to comment what you think the camper should be named. I have to rename the camper because it's going to get painted over with Flex Seal. As I've said that I was going to Flex Seal the whole thing. It's called the Leprechaun right now, and once I get Flex Seal over it, I gotta come up with a new name. It's gonna be a new camper. So I need your guys' help to just come up with names. I'm going to pick my favorite name and send you a Yeti cup. And then I'm gonna send a Yeti cup to whichever name gets the most likes in the comments. So just head on over to that Instagram page, go follow it, then you can comment on that picture, and you might just win. This weekend is obviously the 4th of July weekend, and I have a big camper video planned. Hopefully it turns out as good as I hope. So go hit subscribe and stay tuned for that, if that's why you're here, which we all know most of you are. Be sure to go to my other content and check it out. You might be saying, hey dude, I don't know anything about farming. You're in the right place. I explain why and how and everything about how it works. So if you're interested in any of that, be sure to check out all my other content because it's good. It's good. Everyone commented and said, you're putting more work into the camper than what it's worth. This is my wood pile. This is all cedar. If you were to take a planer and run it over top of any one of these boards, perfectly good cedar. So this is why I didn't even sweat it when I put all that wood back into the framing. Why not, you know? The camper was lucky to find me. I also feel I should address a few things. I had a lot of people ask me if I'm related to Mook. No, I'm not. So you may ask, how'd you get in contact with Junkyard Digs? Let me show you. Right there, that's where Kevin grew up. And then behind me, look familiar to you? Maybe not. That's where Kevin actually pulled a car out of there for one of his episodes. So, that's how I know those guys. I've also got one more thing I really want to try. I have this GoPro harness and this knockoff GoPro. I'm gonna put this on this, and this actually sits on a dog. So I'm gonna throw this on the dog and take him for a run and test it out. So actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna take this 360 camera. I don't know if you've ever seen a 360 camera work before. These are quite amazing. I'm gonna throw this on the dog harness instead. I'm a little nervous about it because this one costs a lot more than that other camera. I'm sure you can imagine. But it is waterproof and it's a GoPro, so it should be good, I think. Guess we'll find out. Alright, let's saddle you up, little buddy. I think this goes in the front, actually. Please don't break this, little man. I think you're golden, my dude. I think you're golden. 100% and it's recording. Alright, let's go. Where do you guys go to the creek at? So today's actually a big day on the farm. Dad's currently out spraying beans. And then the other thing is, that bin right there, we're going to take that crane and actually move it today. So what they're actually doing now is cutting around the outside of the bin, all that tar that's holding it on. And then they're gonna come in once it's loose from the top and move it over here towards me.
So what we're doing is we're updating a transfer system. What a transfer system is it's going to take corn from this bin and transfer it to this bin. Simple as that. Since we wanted to upgrade our transfer system to a bigger one, the problem we ran into is this bin. It's called a wet holding bin. The foundation was cracked and the floor was actually starting to cave in. So we have to take the bin off the foundation to fix the foundation, which is we're just going to break it up, pour new foundation, put the bin back on, and then we can start adding our transfer system in. It's a whole deal.
So this is what we're left with the cement. You can see where it's cracked and caved and what have you. So now I just got to move all this steel out of the way, put it in the loader bucket, and just get the area cleared up so that way tomorrow the excavator can come. They're gonna tear all this out, haul it away, probably turn it into gravel, and then we'll be set to pour new cement.